Hey guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our videos coming up. So today I'm really excited because it's the first video in my pregnancy series. So I'm going to take you guys along with me and show you some things that I've learned during my pregnancy to hopefully help you, if you're pregnant, to get you through your pregnancy. So one of my things that I'm doing is I currently have a body butter that I use on my belly, and what it is coconut oil and then a few of my essential oils. But it's been working great and I love it, but I wanted to do something a little bit more oil based. So I've got this recipe and I'm going to take you guys along with me as I go through and make it. So I'm going to show you guys the ingredients and then I'm going to go ahead and start making it. Alright guys, so here's what you're going to need for the belly butter. So you'll need coconut oil, and you got to make sure that it is unrefined, sweet almond oil or olive oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, we need the vitamin E oil, and then your essential oils, frankincense, gentle baby, and lavender. And then you'll need some sort of container to put it all in. So you'll definitely need a glass container, so make sure that you're getting either a mason jar or any other glass container that you may have laying around. So this is what we need for the ingredients. And so I'm going to turn this camera around and go ahead and start making everything. I started off by putting all the ingredients in except for the vitamin E oil and the essential oils. The cocoa butter improves the skin's elasticity and reduces the appearance of stretch marks and scars. Beeswax helps the skin absorb the oils and is very moisturizing. Almond oil helps to moisturize your skin and heals scars and stretch marks. Coconut oil helps with skin cell health and tissue repair, and it helps to soften the skin. Once I put all the ingredients in there, I let it melt all together, and I just kept mixing it until it was completely melted. Once it was fully melted together, I took it off the burner and let it cool for 10 minutes. Once it cooled, then I added the essential oils and vitamin E oil. The Gentle Baby Essential Oil improves skin's elasticity, reduces the appearance of stretch marks, and soothes dry, cracked skin. Lavender Essential Oil helps nourish cracked skin and improves the formation of scar tissue. Frankincense Essential Oil promotes cell regeneration, tightens the skin, and reduces the appearance of stretch marks. And last, vitamin E, which helps improve skin elasticity, increases the skin's hydration, and actually acts as a natural preservative for homemade lotions and butters. So then you just mix it all up together really good, and you can pour it into your glass container. As you may have noticed, a lot of these ingredients do the same thing, so together it should really help with stretch marks and nourishing the skin. It feels absolutely amazing on my skin and smells so good. Alright guys, so that's it. So it took me probably about 10 minutes to do. It was so easy. It took longer for it to cool off and for it to harden. So I'm still waiting for it to harden a little bit, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So it's a little oily. So when you put it on, you'll have to wait for just a minute or two before you put your clothes on, just to make sure that it doesn't get oil all over your clothes. But it is loaded with vitamins, oils, and all the goodness to help with stretch marks while you're pregnant. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you did while you were pregnant to help with scars and stretch marks. All right, until next time guys, we'll see you later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. See you next time.